Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Today we will talk about the history of Venus. So, without further ado, let's get straight to it. Venus's history begins a long time ago in 1610, when the great and well-known Galileo Galilei zoomed his telescope on a bright patch in the sky to find Venus. After documenting it for a while, he found that it didn't orbit the Earth, like what was believed at the time. He was unable to properly see it, and it remained unseen until about the late 1950s. Before this, all people could think about was what was under Venus's atmosphere, because Venus itself sits on the edge of the habitable zone of the Sun, so we believed it could contain life. Many people even believed it was home to a more advanced version of our life. No one knew. However, these hopes were soon shattered. Humanity sent a spacecraft to Venus in 1962 to scan and observe it. The results weren't what we expected. We detected no signs of this glorious life or civilization we hoped for. More research had to be done, and that's what happened. NASA's Magellan, I don't know if I said that right, came along and mapped the surface. Our hopes were shattered. This planet was inhabitable and lost. Humanity then tried to send some rovers to Venus, hoping for some more information, but these rovers just pretty much burnt on impact, with the most successful being alive for roughly 1 hour. We learnt our lesson. Venus isn't habitable, nor safe, nor nice. It is desolate and scarred. We aren't planning on sending any more rovers, nor any human expeditions to this planet. We are sending satellites to monitor the climate and slivers of Venus that orbit around. One of these will drop a small gadget onto Venus, and on its descent it will take thousands of pictures of it before it ultimately dies and burns on Venus. So, to recap and finish, for years Venus was imagined to be our future and the location of our solar neighbours. Research was conducted and it shattered these images. That's it. I know I said this video would be longer, but what I thought was some of Venus's history turned out to actually be Mercury history, so I'm sorry it wasn't that long. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it nonetheless, and consider subscribing to my channel.